So general solutions, if now again we have the formulas for sine, cos, tan, and for sine theta first. If sine theta is equal to sine alpha, means right side also we are getting the value of sine in terms of any other angle. Sine theta is equal to sine alpha, then our general solution, then its general solution theta will be equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n alpha, where always n is an integer. N is an integer. So this is the first formula. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n, means n odd it will plus it. When n is even it will be minus. So sine theta, and same for opposite of sine theta is cosec theta. So same for cosec theta. So we can convert cosec into sine, or same formula for cosec theta is equal to cosec alpha, because it is the reciprocal. Okay, got it. Then we have cos theta is equal to cos alpha. What we are doing, we are writing general solution. I'm not indicating here GS, but you should understand we are writing the general solution. So, and if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then yeah, this implies that theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. 2n pi plus minus alpha. Theta will be 2n pi plus minus alpha. And n belongs to integers. N is an integer, and same for cosec theta. Opposite of cosec theta is sec theta. Here sec theta will have the same general solution. But 0 was not having solution. So same for sec theta is equal to sec alpha. And third one is tan theta. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then this implies that theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Only plus. Remember here only plus will come, because there is one formula coming where plus minus will come. So n belongs to integer. So theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, and same for cot theta. Same for cot theta is equal to cot alpha. Okay. One more formula, remember, if it is a square, if you have the square, both sides is square, means as I told you right hand side was 0, then you can put the square right hand side get 0 again. But if you have sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha, or any square, means cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, all will have same formula. Cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, or tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Both sides is square. Then theta will be equal to this formula is having only plus. This will have plus minus both. N pi plus minus alpha. This formula will be used to find the general solution. N is an integer. You got it? This is all about the formula. Now we have some questions. Here only I will solve one question so that you can easily understand. For example, we have seen the first question, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, this formula will be used for all functions. Square formula is for all functions. Same formula. For square, there is only one formula. Either you are getting sin square theta, sin square alpha, or cos square theta, cos square alpha, tan square theta, tan square alpha, or cosec square theta, cosec. Same for all trigonometrical ratios. The formula is same for square only. Okay. So cos theta is equal to, this is the question. Solve the question will be solve the given differential. Solve the given trigonometrical equation. So how we will solve this? Right hand side we have to check this 1 by 2 is the value of cos. This is the just starting. Hmm. These are not going to ask in the question. They are not going to ask these questions. 1 by 2 is the value of cos at pi by 3, 60 degree. So we will write right hand side. 1 by 2 is replaced by cos. Now you can see both sides cos. You got both sides cos. This format, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Left side is theta, right side is alpha. Here theta is this one and alpha is this one. So therefore this implies that the general solution will be theta is equal to 2n pi. This formula applied, 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. That's all. That's all. So it's very simple. You have to see right hand side, that whether we are getting the value, some value, some standard value should be there, and it will be given standard value. Like this question, you can see the sec 3 theta is equal to 2. So you have to bring all other numbers on right hand side and check the standard value of sec theta at 2 by root 3. You should remember the values. 2 by root 3. Sec theta 2 by root 3. One more thing, if you are not comfortable with sec theta, cosec theta, cot theta, so I will also suggest you, it is better to convert into cos theta. So we can take the reciprocal both sides. Cos 3 theta will be equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. Cos 3 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. We have taken the reciprocal both sides. Reciprocal of sec theta will be cos theta. Now it is easy to remember also cos 3 theta. You know better the values of cos theta. Root 3 by 2 is the value of cos at 30 degree, pi by 6. Now theta is equal to alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Then theta is equal to 2n pi. 2n pi plus minus pi by 6. But don't leave here. You have to find theta, not 3 theta. So 3 will be transposed on right hand side, and we get theta is equal to 2n pi by 3, or you can take LCM, whatever format you want to write, you can write. Okay. So this is 3 theta, correct. So 3 theta, 2n pi by 3 plus minus pi by 3 6 18. That's it. This is the general solution. So these are just starting questions where only right hand side you are getting one value that you have to convert into trigonometrical function. We can have more questions on 10. So next question, 10 3 theta. 10 3 theta is equal to minus 1. Okay. 10 3 theta is equal to minus 1. Up now right hand side. is negative. So the better way is minus. You leave the minus and first you convert 1, because negative, just remembering negative values somewhat quite difficult for you maybe. So you can do like this. 1 is 1045 degrees. What is the value of 1 at 45 degrees? The value of 10 at 45 degrees is 1, so 1 can become. But this minus should be removed from here, then only we can put the formula tan theta is equal to tan alpha. You can see the formula is tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Means there should be no number before 10. Then only we can say theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. N pi plus alpha. Okay. So this minus can be removed for 10. You know that 10 minus theta, fourth quadrant minus tan theta. So in 10, this minus can go inside. Not in all, but in 10 and sine only. Tan theta and sine theta only. Sine minus theta minus sine theta. All other, in other, it will not go cos minus theta, because you know that all only cos and sec are positive. So cos minus theta, cos theta. Okay. So minus cannot go inside in cos. So only in 10, remember in 10 it can go inside. So that means we can write this minus inside minus pi by 4. Okay. Now according to this formula of general solution, we can write 3 theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 4 plus minus and 3 you have to bring right hand side. So theta will be equal to n pi by 3 minus pi by 12, where n is an integer. That is the solution, general solution of the given equation. So remember how to bring negative sign inside. Negative is there, we can bring inside for sign, and 10. Okay. So these are the question where you are finding right hand side some values. Now we have some equation. Now we can go to the higher part where we have given some equation and we have to use different formulas. For example, solve the following equation. Solve the equation sin theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta is equals to 0. This equation we have to solve. Before that, we have seen only one term was there on right hand side, left hand side, one term, and we can solve it easily. Now this equation will be solved by using different formulas. Means whenever we are solving any equation, you have seen for in algebra also, we have to convert into factors, and each factor will be equated to 0 to get the value of theta. So how to convert it into factors? Sin c plus sin d, we can use here sin c plus sin d, but when we take 3 theta and theta, 3 plus 1 4, half of 4 is 2 theta, we are not getting 5 theta. So what we will do, we will take 5 theta and theta together. So what we will write, we have sin 5 theta. This is an equation we have to solve. Take both the sides to solve it. Sin 5 theta and sin theta will be written together. Just we are making the group, which is giving easy way to get the solutions, to get the factors here. So sin C plus sin D. Now you know that what is the formula for sin C plus sin D. Here I am again writing, again and again writing for you the formula sin C plus sin D. This is the first part. So what will come? Sin and cos. As I told you that sin, the first part sin and cos will come to sin C plus D by 2 and cos C plus D by 2. This formula is applied here. This formula. So we get 2 sin C plus D. That means 5 theta plus theta by 2 into cos C minus, sorry, I have written plus both, C minus D by 2, 5 theta minus theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta is equal to 0. Why I have taken 5? And because 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2, 3 theta you will get. That means in the next part you can take common. So 5 theta plus theta, 6 theta divided by 2, 3 theta. 5 theta minus theta, 4 theta divided by 2, 2 theta plus sin 3 theta. So we have to decide which numbers should be taken so that we can take it out common. Now you can see this is common. Now sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta is here in the first term and it is also in the second term. So you can take it out common. So sin 3 theta is taken out. Okay. So remove this. What is left inside? 2 is left. Cos 2 theta is left. Plus this will go, then 1 will left here. Why 1? Because if you will multiply, you will get it again. So now we got the two factors. So each factor will be equated to 0. As you know from 10th class, the two product of two numbers are 0. So either this will be 0 or this will be 0. And 0, you can see that I told you when cos 3 sin 3 theta is equal to 0, theta will be n pi. So 3 theta is equal to n pi. N is an integer. Therefore, theta is equal to, first answer, you got theta is equal to n pi by 3. N pi by 3 is the first answer, where n is an integer. Second answer, you can get cos 2 theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. How will you convert minus 1 by 2? As I told you that first you have to write minus, you can leave and write 1 by 2. What is the value of cos at 1 by 2? So sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So cos 60 degrees, cos 60 means pi by 3. Cos 60 means pi by 3. Okay. So this is pi by 3. Okay. Now in order to remove this sign here, sign means minus. Minus cannot go inside in cos. It can go by 2 pi plus theta means 180 degree plus theta or 180 degree minus theta. So if you see the second quadrant, sine is positive and tan is positive. So cos 280 minus theta is also minus theta and 280 plus theta is also minus theta. I mean 2 pi 2 pi means pi, sorry, 180 degrees. Cos 180 degree minus theta. It is in second quadrant and it is equal to minus cos theta. But cos pi plus theta is also. So we have to take the angle between 0 to 2 pi. Between 0 to pi or between 0 to, this is pi by 2 here up to pi. So we have to take the values which is less than this one. If you will add pi, it will become 3 plus 4 pi by 3. If you will subtract pi, it will become 2 pi by 3. So we will adopt this formula. Which one? This one. That means sine cos minus theta. That means if you see this formula in the reverse order, we are applying here reverse order. Minus cos theta can be written as cos pi minus theta. Okay. So this right hand side can be written as cos 2 theta is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 means 6 to the 12, 120 degree. If you remember directly 120 degree, you can write directly also 2 pi by 3. Yes, you can take directly also because some students are not having means not remembering the formulas after 90 degrees. So for them it is easy to convert. Otherwise, if you know minus pi by 2 directly is the value of cos 2 pi by 3, you can do it directly also. Now answer is 2 theta is equal to 2 n pi 2 n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. And this 2 will come here, so it will cancel. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. That is the general solution. So if you remember direct value of minus pi by 2, well and good, you can do it directly. So this type of questions are there in your textbook. Now you can solve all the questions.